pain all over.
Do you have a special kind of hangover, Nathan?
No concussion hangover. 12:30 in the morning.
Yeah, it's 12:30 in the morning, and we're shooting. So we're doing the Animal Noise Challenge, inspired by Matthias and J. Fred, like all my other videos. Even though we still have a bunch of videos that I need to edit and put up. So basically, we both have 3 animals written down, and we're going to try impressions of them, and whoever does better gets the point. We're just going to try to judge off of our own. Yeah. Okay, so you can go first. What's your first animal?
Okay, my first animal is a cow.
Okay. Do your best cow impression.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, hang on. Sounds like a Minecraft cow. Just keep trying.
Okay, I think I won.
No, you didn't. I sound more like a cow. I don't know about you. I'm fat. I sound like more like a cow.
Cows are meat, not fat, so I got meat.
Okay, let's have them decide. Okay.
Yeah, comment.
We'll be right back. So according to Michael Yell, Nathan sounded like a gay cow, so I guess he wins.
And he sounded like a phone vibrating.
Well, you sound like a vibrator, so
A gay cow, not a vibrator.
Okay, so my next one's a sheep.
A sheep. Okay. So you go first. Okay. Okay. So a sheep and a goat are the same thing, right?
Yes. Well, we're just gonna. They make about the same sound, so.
Bah.
Oh gosh.
I think yours is better.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
Alright, fine.
So we're tied. Point for me, point for Nathan. Okay, your next one.
My next one is an elephant.
Okay, I'm ready for this.
Alright. Okay, your turn. No, mine's better.
Hang on. We're cheering my inner elephant. Okay, yeah, yours is way better.
Mine's better.
Okay.
I can keep my lips puckered better.
Okay, let's stop doing this. This is really
My
weird.
face.
Okay.
Oh, my lips are tingling.
Okay. So my next one is a chicken.
Oh, I got this one.
Okay, yeah, you're
you
gonna
done?
sell
You
it.
done?
Cock-a-doodle these nuts. Okay.
I would actually practice this with my mom when I was younger.
Okay, yeah. Yours is gonna be better.
It's hard. Look.
That's what she said. Oh. We're going for that sound?
Huh?
We're going for that sound?
I won. I
yeah,
won.
you win. So you win so bad. Okay.
Okay, and my last one is a horse.
Okay. Hang on. Okay, you win.
Yeah, I won that one too.
Okay. My last one is the most wild animal of all.
Donald Trump. Okay.
And this is just facial expressions. Like, this isn't even voices. We can do a voice if you want.
I want to do a voice.
You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. Like that.
Okay. My turn.
You're gonna fail.
Wait, where's the camera so I can look right at it? Is it right there?
Right
Okay, okay. gonna build a wall to
No.
put you on the other side.
You're awful. Okay, yeah, I obviously won that one.
Nuh-uh.
You sounded nothing like Donald Trump. At least I tried.
You're fired.
You're fired.
You're fired.
You're fired. I obviously win.
Okay, fine. But then that means it's 3-2, so I won.
Nathan won the annual noise challenge.
Because I'm amazing with my mouth.
Okay, never mind. We're just gonna leave Brooklyn out of this.
You can't do that.
Do it without you. Okay, so if you want more content from Nathan and I, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that stuffies. Even though nobody ever does it, all they do is watch and comment. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this hat on. But why do you always do that at the end of my videos?
Because I'm on camera.
But okay, yeah. Thanks for watching.